Hello, bienvenue au cours de français aujourd'hui. Je m'appelle Monsieur Jackson and you are still at Den of Knowledge. I just simply said, welcome to today's class. I am Mr. Jackson and you are still at Den of Knowledge, your favorite hub of learning. Today we're going to be looking at a topic, le verbe manger au présent de infinitive. That is, the verb infinitive, to eat, to eat, to eat. Remember, this class is still for basic 3. That is the level we are. Okay, now in English, there is what we call conjugating a verb. Conjugating a verb. And mind you that the English pronoun made us to understand that we have the first person pronoun, which is I. That is the first person pronoun. Then we have the second person pronoun, which is you. Then we have the third person pronoun, which is he, she, or it. Okay, now this is for singular. Let us not forget that. Singular. Then for plural, we have the first person pronoun plural, we. We have the second person, you, still maintains. And then we have the third person, he, she, it, sums up as they. Okay, let's get to know these pronouns in French. For I, we have je. That is when you say something like je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Now, je m'appelle is translated as my name is, or you can also say I am. Je m'appelle is translated as my name is, or you can say I am. Then we have the second person singular pronoun, tu. Then I want you to understand something. He is masculine. She is feminine. Good. Now, it stands for either both. It stands for both. Now, let's take out he. He in French, singular, is il. Then she in French is elle. Okay. It in French is also il. Il. Okay? Now let's get over to the plural. We have we. We in French is, for instance, you can say nous allons. So we knows. Then you in plural is vous. Vous. Then they. Mind you, in English, when you use the word they, there is no particular reference to a gender. But I told you before that French respects and values gender so much in application of their words. And that is why they always separate words into masculine and feminine. Now, remember, we broke these into masculine and feminine. That also is the way we will break it here. We won't just say they has a particular translation in French, because in French there is the masculine and there is the feminine. So when they is in its masculine, in French it becomes ils. Okay? It becomes ils. Don't get it twisted. Then when it becomes feminine, it becomes L. Having got this, we can easily conjugate our verb to eat in French. Remember we say le verbe manger, le verbe manger. So the verb to eat, the verb to eat. We want to conjugate it in French. Now, having got this, both in English and French, let us now conjugate first in English before we proceed to conjugate in French. Okay? So we clean up this so that we can have our space. Now, let's take the singular first. We have I eat. We have the second, you eat. We have the third, he eats. She eats. Okay, let's get this in French. Je mange. Did you see that? Good. Tu manges. Did you see that? And then we have il mange and elle mange. So, this is conjugation of verb to eat in the singular form. So we have I eat in French, je mange, you eat, tu manges, he eats, elle mange, she eats, elle mange. Okay, let's get this in the plural form of it. We have the plural. Good, let's go. We eat. You eat. They, remember, masculine. Eat. And they, remember, feminine. Eat. Okay, let's get the conjugation in French. We have the first one. Nous mangeons. Okay? Did we see that? Now, that is to tell you that it has changed. It has changed. Okay, let's take the second one. Vous mangez. Okay, so we see here we have S, but over here we now have Z to show you that it is no more in the singular, but it is now in the plural. So you have nous mangeons, vous mangez. Nous mangeons, vous mangez. Okay, then the next one is the masculine of they, which becomes ils mangent. Okay, and the last one is elles mangent. Okay, so this is the conjugation of verb to eat, both in English and in French, singular and plural. Now, let us make some sentences with some of these conjugations. We have something like je mange Je mange du pain. Je mange du pain, which is translated as I eat bread. One other thing I will also want you to understand is this can also be used as saying I am eating bread. So either you say I eat bread or you say I am eating bread. Bread in French is pain. Then we take another one. We have tu manges. Tu manges de la patate. Tu manges de la patate, which is translated as you eat potato, or you say you are eating potato. Okay, did we see that? So much for the singular. Now let's take for the plural. Let's take for the plural. We have we eat carrot. We eat carrot, which in French is nous mangeons la carotte. Nous mangeons la carotte, which is translated as we eat carrot, or you say we are eating carrot. Okay, I hope you can now make sentences with other with other pronouns as conjugated in verb to be. So what you're going to do is, when you look out there, you will see the website. Take these pronouns as they are, make sentences with verb to eat in French, remember, and also translate in English. See you next time.